Welcome to the channel, guys. Good evening. It is a freezing day in New Jersey. And guess what? The Duramax has some serious issues that I have to fix today. So anyone who has Amp Research running boards, or some people call them Nerf boards or step guards, whatever you call them, doesn't matter. Anyone who has Amp Research on their truck may have this issue happen to them. When you typically open the door, the running board comes down, back or front. However, when I open my back door, the running board does not come down from the truck. Now, I asked Amp Research about this, and what I've come to find out is there's three possibilities. A blown fuse on the module, which on the Duramax is over on the passenger side by the secondary battery. That fuse is not blown, and the module obviously isn't blown because my front doors work, and the other rear door works as well. So we can get past the module. I checked the fuses. Now everything is good to go, but what else could cause it? The only last two issues besides fuses is the door switch in the door or the actual wiring for the Amp Research running board. So if you want to know, hey, how do I tell if I have a bad door switch? It's simple. You open your back door or whatever door is not working while the truck is running and see if you have a door ajar light. If you have a door warning with the door open, then your switch is good. And once you've figured that out, which I have, and it's not the door switch, you have to go to the wiring, which is underneath the driver door sill on Amp Research setups. So when we come over here, you see that I've pulled my door sill off and the wire was split. Now, don't ask me how in God's green earth this came apart underneath the door sill, but somehow that managed to happen, which really, really sucks. But it's a very easy fix. I'm just gonna cut this off, strip the wire a bit, put a new crimp on there, electrical tape, tuck it under where it's even safer than before. Issue will be resolved. So if you have Amp Research running boards and you're having an issue where one door isn't opening the running boards, then this is most likely the issue. It's not totally common to have this happen, but it's not unlikely either. Amp Research says they've seen it quite a few times. Right about here, don't want to lose any length. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to crimp more than one. So here we go, we're gonna crimp this together. Just gonna make sure it's nice and snug, and it is. Now we're gonna make sure the back door lowers the board. That should fix the issue. We're gonna go ahead and close this door. The running board is gonna go up, and then we're gonna open the back door, and as long as the running board comes down, everything is good to go. I do have to fix the LEDs on this running board as well, because they're all blown. And there we go. The running board now works. You can see, as soon as I open the back door, running board comes down, close the door, the running board stows away up under the truck again, just like it should. If you have any issues with your running boards from Amp Research and it's not opening with one door or another, it could be the wiring like this. This solves the problem. Okay, so I figured it's that time. Might as well give it a cold start, right? Now, if you guys are wondering, it hasn't been a cold start on the Duramax. I've always been saying coal start, as in blowing coal. You get it? Yeah, that's what I've been saying. We're gonna start calling it like that. And that's the way it's gonna be. We are gonna give the Duramax a cold start. So we're here at my favorite place. It's freezing outside, 25 degrees. We gotta wash Mad Max. He's filthy. Don't forget to check out my brother's channel. This can't be happening. No commas, spaces, or apostrophes. Just all one word. This can't be happening. But after fixing the Amp Research running boards, it's finally time to wash the Duramax. It is so filthy, and I haven't washed it in over 2 months. I think now is the time to do that, even though it's 25 degrees out. There's this spray from Chemical Guys, Quick Synthetic Detailer. It's a polymer and it's really good. You can see right here, just spray it on with one mist. It's warm in the garage. Even with the door open, it's still about 50 degrees in the garage because we just opened the door. So I'm gonna show you guys how easy this is. You just wipe it on gently. Let it dry to a haze. And then I'm gonna wipe it off. I'm gonna do a full video on this stuff, but it's really good product. Chemical Guys just make some of the best stuff. I was using some Adams detail polish and stuff like that, but I like the chemical guys better. After using it, I think it's night and day difference. It's having a little bit of trouble drying here, but oh my God, does it ever make the paint look so good. There we go. Now it's officially dried. I'm just lightly polishing it. You guys can't feel it because you're physically not here, but I tell you, it is absolutely amazing. We've used it on the Duramax and other videos. We just didn't, review the actual product, but there's going to be a video coming out soon with this stuff. This is fantastic stuff, guys, for your car. Basically, when you wash your car and wax it, anytime it gets a little dirty and you're out somewhere at a show, you can just spray this over it and just wipe it off. Almost like a quick detailer, but a lot better. This is much better stuff than your average quick detailer. It's even better than Meguiar's. I would say that this is probably the best synthetic detailer I've ever used. That is going to do it for this video. You can see the Hellcat's trying to stay clean. Don't forget to check out drivewithdemons.com, the store to support the channel. Key tags, Mopar No Car. Don't forget shirts and hoodies there as well for the winter. Thank you so much to everyone who watches the channel and supports it, comments, and likes the videos. There is a lot of stuff coming, guys. Check out my brother's channel. This can't be happening. No spaces, no commas, nothing. Just this can't be happening. If you're stopping in for the first time, thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, subscribe, thumbs up, comment below. And for all my returning subscribers, thanks so much for watching all my videos. Comment, like, subscribe. You guys know the drill. Take care. Have a great night.